Greetings everyone, welcome back. Today we speak English. Look, we are at the MRT station. In Singapore, we take the MRT every day. But do you know the English words? Let's learn them together. First, 3 important words. Line. The MRT has different lines. Red line, green line, purple line. Say it. Line. Stop. Each station is one stop. Say it. Stop. Change. You move from one line to another line. Say it. Change. Very good. Now, 3 important phrases. Dolly wants to go to Orchard. She looks at the map. So many lines. She asks a friend. Excuse me, which line do I take? Which line? We are asking which color, which direction. Say it with me. Which line do I take? Again, which line do I take? Excellent. Good. Now Dolly is on the train. She wants to know, is it far? She asks, how many stops to Orchard? How many stops? We are asking about the number of stations. Say it with me. How many stops to Orchard? Your turn. Ask about your station. How many stops to? Great job. Sometimes you need 2 trains. You must change. Dolly asked, excuse me, where do I change trains? Change trains. You get off one train and take another. Very useful in Singapore. Say it with me. Where do I change trains? Again, where do I change trains? Wonderful. Okay, let's put it all together. Listen and repeat. Excuse me, which line do I take to Orchard? Take the red line. How many stops to Orchard? 5 stops. And where do I change trains? Change at City Hall. Thank you so much. No problem. Have a good trip. Now, your turn. Repeat after me. Which line do I take? How many stops? Where do I change trains? Very good. Quiz time. Are you ready? Question 1. You want to know which MRT line to take. What do you say? Which line do I take? Yes. Question 2. You want to know if it is far. How many stops? Perfect. Question 3. You need to move to a different line. What do you ask? Where do I change trains? Excellent. Wonderful. Today we learned which line do I take? How many stops? Where do I change trains? Now you can travel on the MRT in English. Don't forget to like, follow, and see you next time.